Let's continue with hydrogen and its compounds. First, we take points to remember. The difference in properties of arising due to difference in mass of isotopes of an element is called isotopic effect. It's maximum for hydrogen because the percentage difference in the mass is maximum for isotopes of hydrogen. For example, deuterium has double mass than ordinary hydrogen and tritium has triple mass than ordinary hydrogen. Since hydrogen is highly inflammable, therefore for filling in airships and balloons, we have to use mixture of 85% of helium, which is non-inflammable, and 15% of hydrogen, which is inflammable but lighter. That's why it is used for filling airships and balloons. Metals like palladium, platinum, and gold have the property of adsorbing a large quantity of hydrogen. This process is called occultation. The order of occulation by different metals is colloidal palladium adsorbed to maximum extent, then palladium, then platinum, then gold, and nickel will be the least. Liquid hydrogen is used as rocket fuel in space programs because it has highest calorific value. The oxide of deuterium, that is D2O, is known as heavy water. Ordinary water contains 1 part of heavy water in 6,000 parts. It is produced by repeated electrolysis of acidified ordinary water containing alkali. It is used in nuclear reactor and coolant. It is used in nuclear reactors as moderator and coolant. Moderator means slows down the speed of neutrons. Coolant means absorbs excess of energy liberated. Hydrogen peroxide, which is also known as oxygenated water, finds application as antiseptic. Its dilute solution can act as antiseptic because concentrated will be harmful for the skin. It is also acting as germicide because it's a good oxidizing agent for wound, teeth, and ear washing under the name perhydrol, which is 30% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is used as rocket propellant. Here, concentrated hydrogen peroxide is used as a propellant for torpedoes and on account of its exothermic decomposition. And it's a good oxidant for fuels, rocket fuels like hydrogen, hydrazine, etc. Generally, the physical constants for D2O are higher than H2O except for surface tension, dielectric constant which measures the polarity, refractive index and ionic product of water. High energy containing hydrogen, which is ortho, is stable at high temperature, and low energy containing para tends to change into ortho, but the percentage of ortho does not exceed more than 75 in the equilibrium mixture. While if we prepare hydrogen at lower temperature, ortho changes into para form and pure para form can be readily obtained. Pure para-hydrogen was first of all prepared by Bonnier and Hertak by cooling ordinary hydrogen, that is 75% ortho and 25% para, at 350 atmospheric pressure and liquid air temperature. No method has been discovered till now to get 100% pure ortho hydrogen. The degree of hardness is defined as number of parts by weight of calcium carbonate or equivalent to the various calcium and magnesium salts present in million parts of water by mass. Degree of hardness is measured in ppm, that is parts per million. Storage of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide decomposes slowly on exposure to light. On decomposition, it forms water and oxygen. In presence of metal surfaces or traces of alkali which are present in glass containers, the above reaction becomes faster because these act as catalysts. It is therefore stored in wax-lined glass bottles or plastic vessels and kept in dark so that decomposition due to sunlight does not take place. Urea can be added as a stabilizer. It is kept away from the dust because dust can induce explosive decomposition of the compound, and urea will act as negative catalyst because it will not allow hydrogen peroxide to decompose. Similarly, acetanilide glycerol can also be used. Uses: in daily life it is used as hair bleach and a mild disinfectant. As an antiseptic, it is sold in the market as perhydrol, which is 30% aqueous solution of hydrogen peroxide. It is used to manufacture chemicals like sodium perborate and percarbonate, which are used in high quality detergents. These act as bleaching agents because they are good oxidizing agents. It's also used for synthesis of hydroquinone, tartaric acid, and certain food products and drugs. Reason being that it's an oxidizing agent, therefore it can be used for the synthesis of these compounds. It is used in industries as a bleaching agent for textile, paper pulp, leather, oils, pads, etc. Nowadays, it is also being used in environmental green chemistry, for example, in pollution control treatment of domestic and industrial effluents, oxidation of cyanides, restoration of aerobic condition to the sewage waste. This is being largely used and it is considered as green chemical because it can convert the harmful chemicals into harmless chemicals.